CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1 Summarize various security measures and their purposes. Least privilege. Principle of least privilege is the practice of giving users or systems only the permissions they absolutely need to perform a task or job function, and nothing more. The idea is simple. If access is not required, it should not be granted. This helps reduce risk in several ways. If a user account is compromised, an attacker would only have access to the limited resources tied to that account, rather than unrestricted control of a system. It also helps prevent accidental mistakes, such as a user deleting files or changing settings they were never supposed to modify in the first place. A common example of least privilege would be a standard employee account versus an administrator account. Most users do not need the ability to install software, modify system-wide settings, or create other user accounts, so those elevated privileges are typically reserved for administrators. By limiting powerful permissions to only those who truly need them, organizations reduce their attack surface. You may also see least privilege tied to role-based access, where permissions are assigned based on a person's responsibilities. Someone in accounting may have access to financial systems but not server administration tools, while a help desk technician may have password reset permissions but not full domain control. In this way, access is based on job function rather than giving every user broad permissions. This principle applies not only to users, but also to applications, services, and processes. For example, a service account used by an application may only be granted access to a specific database it needs to function, rather than broad access across an environment. Ultimately, least privilege is about reducing unnecessary access before it becomes a security problem. It is one of the most fundamental security practices you will encounter, and it supports many other security models you will study later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.